G'day, welcome to another episode of Country Life on the Coast. My name is Sean, and on today's episode we are going to upgrade our workbench. So over a year ago I built this outdoor workbench. I used old fencing material that was heading for the rubbish dump. We cleaned it up, made the whole frame and everything, and the only problem I have with it is the top. As you can probably see, this top is made from fence palings, which is fine, it's worked really well. The only issue that I do have with it is that it's uneven, and sometimes when I'm working and I want a nice flat surface, it just doesn't quite give that to me. But what I can do is I've got my planer thicknesser. I'm going to use that and make all of these the same thickness and then screw them back down. So it should be right just to unscrew all of these fence palings, and then we'll run them through the thicknesser, get them all to exactly the same thickness, screw them back on, and that should give me a lot flatter and more level surface, which is what we're going for. So I'll grab my battery drills, we'll start unscrewing everything and go from there. Alright, well, we've got all the boards off of the bench. I've set myself up here with my thicknesser on just some other boards, just so I've got a nice good work height to work from rather than having this sit on the ground. And also what I've done is I've just gone through and put them in close to the same thicknesses of each. So these ones here are the thickest ones and working down to the thinnest. Also what I had to do was I replaced one of the boards with this one because the other one was it was quite thin, and I was just concerned if I ran them all through here to get them to the same thickness, it was going to be probably too thin. So I've replaced it with this board. I've just cut it up, got it to the size. So now it's just a case of feeding everything through, bringing them all to the same thickness. So I'll grab my eye protection and ear protection, we'll crank this up and just start running the boards through. We've finished planing all of the boards, so now I'm going to lay them out and we'll screw them back down. Not that it really matters, but I did number each one of them before I pulled them up, so I'm just going to put them back in the same order, and that way the screw holes should line up as well and might just make it a bit easier for myself. So there we have it. That's my upgraded workbench. So it's not 100% perfectly flat, but it's way better than what it was. And now at least I'll be able to put material in here when I'm joining things together or gluing, screwing, that sort of thing, and it will be flat. Overall, this is a vast improvement of what we had just before. So a couple of hours of planing this stuff down and we've got a nice flat surface. Well, that's all we have for this episode, so thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, that would be great, and we'll catch you on the next one. God bless.